Hello everyone. Welcome to the Positive Path channel. Today we will talk about Wu Wei, the ancient Chinese philosophy of effortless action and harmony with nature. Today, I want to talk to you about why your positive affirmations and self-talk are not working. You know, those statements that you repeat to yourself every day like, I am confident, I am successful, I am worthy, and so on. You may have heard that these affirmations can help you change your mindset, boost your self-esteem, and attract what you want in life. And maybe you have tried them for a while, but you didn't see any results. You still feel insecure, unhappy, or stuck in your situation. Why is that? Why are your positive affirmations and self-talk not working? The answer is simple: because they are not true. You see, when you say something to yourself that contradicts your reality, your subconscious mind knows it, and it rejects it. It says, no, that's not true. That's not who I am. That's not how things are. Your subconscious mind is like a loyal friend who always tells you the truth, even if it hurts. It doesn't want you to lie to yourself or live in denial. It wants you to face reality and deal with it. So, when you say something like, I am confident, but you actually feel insecure, your subconscious mind says, no, you're not. You're scared, you're doubtful, you're weak. And when you say something like, I am successful, but you actually feel like a failure, your subconscious mind says, no, you're not. You're struggling. You're behind. You're inadequate. And when you say something like, I am worthy, but you actually feel unworthy, your subconscious mind says, no, you're not. You're flawed. You're unlovable. You're undeserving. Do you see the problem? Your positive affirmations and self-talk are not working because they are creating a conflict between your conscious mind and your subconscious mind. And guess which one is more powerful? That's right. Your subconscious mind is more powerful than your conscious mind. It controls about 95% of your thoughts, feelings, and actions. It is the source of your beliefs, habits, and emotions. It is the driving force behind your behavior and results. So, if your subconscious mind doesn't agree with your conscious mind, it will always win the argument. It will always override your positive affirmations and self-talk with its negative ones. That's why you can't just say things to yourself and expect them to change your reality. You have to actually believe them. You have to align them with your subconscious mind. But how do you do that? How do you change your subconscious mind? Well, that's where the wisdom of Wu Wei comes in. Wu Wei means doing without doing, or acting without effort. It is the art of letting go of resistance and flowing with life. It is the way of being in harmony with yourself and the universe. Wu Wei teaches us that we don't need to force ourselves to think or feel or act in a certain way. We don't need to struggle against our nature or reality. We don't need to fight with our subconscious mind. Instead, we need to accept ourselves and our situation as they are. We need to embrace our truth and our reality. We need to work with our subconscious mind. How do we do that? By using positive affirmations and self-talk that are true. Yes, you heard me right. You can still use positive affirmations and self-talk, but only if they are true. True affirmations and self-talk are statements that reflect your current reality, but also point towards your desired reality. They are statements that acknowledge your challenges, but also highlight your strengths. They are statements that express gratitude for what you have, but also aspiration for what you want. True affirmations and self-talk are statements that resonate with both your conscious mind and your subconscious mind. They are statements that create harmony between them. For example, instead of saying, I am confident, say, I am learning to be more confident. Instead of saying, I am successful, say, I am working hard to achieve my goals. Instead of saying, I am worthy, say, I am grateful for who I am and what I have. Do you see the difference? These statements are true. They are realistic. They are honest. They are humble. But they are also positive. They are optimistic. They are hopeful. They are empowering. They are not denying your reality, but they are also not limiting your potential. They are not ignoring your problems, but they are also not forgetting your solutions. They are not settling for less, but they are also not expecting too much. They are balanced, they are aligned, they are harmonious, and that's what Wu Wei is all about. So, my dear, if you want your positive affirmations and self-talk to work, make sure they are true. Make sure they match your reality and your subconscious mind. And then, watch how your reality and your subconscious mind will change to match your positive affirmations and self-talk. That's the power of Wu Wei. That's the power of truth. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something from it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on Wu Wei wisdom. Until next time, remember, the truth will set you free.